Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin and I'm removing swatches from my hand. And today we're going to be doing the Ipsy unbagging for the month of March. Crazy, it's March already. January seemed to be like forever, and then February and March just went by. But here's the bag. It's super cute. It's kind of like a teal color with a bunch of studs and then a neon yellow zipper. It says Ipsy Glam Bag, 100th Ipsy Glam Bag on the back here, which is so cool. You actually get a bonus product this month, so everybody's gonna get 6 products in whatever subscription they do. The big one, I don't know what it's called. Glam Bag Ultimate, that's what it's called. Whatever that one is, I don't know how many products you get, but I do know that you get extra. So don't pull this out. Here is the card. It says Celebrate You, March 2020. Giveaways for days, March 25th. Choose a product. So I don't know what that means, but that's that. So here's what it looks like on the inside. The first thing I got, I actually did choose. This is by Tasha. This is the Dewy Skin Cream. I've tried the one that's in the blue bottle. Oh, it smells so good. And I like it a lot. So I was like, yes, let's try some more. Because Tasha makes great skincare. Feels super hydrating. Yeah, there's definitely a shine. Also ignore that, it's a lip stain that will not come off my hand. So in the little pamphlet, it does say that the full size of this is $68. This is obviously not a full size, this is a little baby guy, but I will of course leave down the value of the products down below like I always do. Next thing is by Tarte. This is cute. This is the Quench Hydrating Primer. Full size of this retails for $32. Ooh, it's a little steep for a primer, I think. I really like this packaging though. This color is really pretty. I love primers. I don't know why, but I've gotten like super into primers here lately, and I have so many. Ooh, it smells good. It smells very like, I don't even know. Definitely hyaluronic acid in here for sure, I think. Doesn't tell me on here. Ooh, wow. That's serious hydration. Okay, maybe $32 isn't as bad of a price. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna have to try that out though. Next thing in here is by Naked Cosmetics. This is a full-size product. It retails for $14.99. Oh, it's a Pressed Pigments eyeshadow in the shade Mother Nature 05. I don't love single eyeshadows. You guys know this. Here's what it looks like. Oh, okay, it's a pretty shade. I might be able to use that as a highlighter actually, so maybe we will swatch it. Ooh. Ooh, no. Yeah, way too dark. It's pretty, but not going to be a highlighter on me, so now I feel bad for swatching that because I'm probably going to get rid of that. Got 3 more products in here. The next thing, I'm not going to swatch this. I might actually still have one. Do I? No, I decluttered this. This is by Gerlach Thick. This is the Precise Eyeliner Marker in the shade Black Noir. This is the 3rd time I've gotten this in my Ipsy bag. This retails for $20. It is full size. Okay, I'm a little disappointed in that just because, like, this is the 3rd time I've gotten this. So next is by Sugar. This is Uptown Girl Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty. It's made in Taiwan. Not tested on animals, so it is cruelty free. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm always down to try a new mascara. Ooh, that's a weird one. Definitely gonna be curling. Smells like mascara. This is a deluxe size sample. Full size retails for $12.99, so if this is a great mascara, that's pretty affordable. And the last thing in here is by Hanalei, not sure. This is the Kukui. I don't remember how to say that. Kukui Lip Balm in Island Mint. I love lip balms. This retails for $6 and it is full size. Ooh, yes. Very minty. It is clear, so I'm not gonna swatch it because like there's nothing that's gonna come off. But I think it's really cool that we got a bonus product. My hair. is crazy. I think it's cool that we got a bonus product for it being the 100th anniversary. That's awesome. I really like the bag this month. I think it's really cute. Let's do our quick little recap. So we got a single eyeshadow that I'm not excited about, I'll be honest, just because I don't like single eyeshadows. I always waste them, which is my fault. The mascara, I'm super excited to try. I love trying new mascaras. Lip balm, I'm always down to get. Love lip balm. I have too many. The Tasha skin cream, I'm obviously excited about because I picked it, and I love Tasha skincare. And the eyeliner I'd be okay with, except for the fact that I've gotten it 3 times, so I'm annoyed, but it's okay. And the Tarte primer, I'm really excited to try too. So overall, I think this is a really good bag. I don't like the single eyeshadow. I need to like go through my profile again and see if it's an option to say you don't want single eyeshadows. I need to do that. But yeah, that's everything. That was a really quick video. I didn't really have many things to swatch, so I apologize. But that's everything. Let me know down below what you guys got in your Ipsy bag, what you liked, what you didn't like, all that fun stuff. And don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.